Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Kumar and I am the founder of RCS Technology. So today I thought to give information about internship program. Every day I am getting call from different students whether I provide internship, they require internship, whether I provide online internship, offline internship. So many questions I get from a student. So I thought in place of answering so many questions, I should clear by a small video. So we provide internship, fine. So internship is very broad word and anyone can do internship. I cannot provide internship of all type. Internship is a practical word where a student have to go and work and learn and see the market, what exactly market they can do, fine. So we are a web designing and development company, digital marketing company, and we have 100+ clients, and we have provided 5,000+ students. I have already provided internship in the market across Bangalore and across Karnataka. Even a student can join from anywhere in India, because I am going to conduct at least one batch online. So I would like to give all the detail for who can do internship with us. Fine. So I provide internship for BBA, BCA, BSc, MBA students. So what they can do, they can join us as a digital marketing. They can join us as a digital marketing, business development, content writing. So these are the scope where I can give the opportunity for any BCA student, BBA student, Ecommerce student. Fine. See, digital marketing is one of the demanding thing. Now I think that each and every student should have this skill. Okay. So if you are going to utilize your time, you are going to do digital internship in digital marketing. It is going to help you in your career and in your jobs. Fine. So many things is there. Right now I cannot give what are the things you are teaching. So in brief, I can brief that starting from a social media post, how you can write a content, how you can write a effective post, how you can design content, how you can design the poster, and how you can target, how to use Facebook Meta, how you can link your Facebook with the Instagram, and so many things. So this is one of the things. How you can maintain your profile on LinkedIn, how you can do marketing on Google, so how you can learn Google SEO, Google Analytics, fine, and something web SEO. So these are the things where I can train a student, BBA, BCA, BSc, even ki become a student can also join us, fine. So become a student join, and now we are shortly from Monday we are starting the batch. So a student can come and join. Very nominal fees is there because it's a kind of training and as well as hands-on. Whatever thing I am going to train you, you have to work on those things. I will be assigning you some task and you have to do. So I will get chance to correction and you will get a chance to learn that. Fine. So BCA student can join in the web development. So we are a web designer, web development, fine. Web development, web designing, graphics designing, CRM, ERP, e-commerce, so many things is there. I have already 150-200 clients. So each day I am getting work, some support work and some changes, some modification. So a student can learn web technology with us as well as they can do some hands-on on that. Fine. So a student of BCA and MCA, if they are looking internship, they can join. BCA student can join. Internship can be minimum of 30 days, 30 to 45 days for the college student. MCA student can join us for 3 to 5 months. So some student ask question whether you provide a stipend. Yes, I provide. If you can develop one website yourself and your design is liked by us, I am going to give you some stipend. If not, first you have to work as an intern, minimum 1 month, 1.5 months, and if you satisfied us and you wish to continue for 3 to 4 months, we will fix some stipend for you. Fine. So MBA student can also join for business development, and BA student can also join internship. So web development, now question come, what are the technology we use? So every web developer first they must have to learn web designing from the scratch. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, database, this basic knowledge will be given, as well as a student who advance in this thing will give the chance to learn the latest technology, REACTJS, MongoDB, and MySQL. Fine. So these are the places. Also they can learn data analytics, data science, as well as they can learn few more things. Fine. So any student can join. A student must have to come here, and minimum weekly 3 to 4 hours they have to sit here. So during that I will be guiding you something, I will be assigning you tasks, I will be reviewing your work, and I will be guiding you over that. Fine. And some work, once you get trained and you get a skill, you can do some work from home also. Fine. So this is the program guide. So anyone is looking internship, no need to call, or you can call me